Hello and welcome to Krishang French Learning. Today we learn agreement of adjectives means les adjectives masculine to feminine. In French, adjectives agree with the number and gender of the noun that they qualify. Adjectives are the words that describe nouns. To change an adjective from masculine into feminine, we add e. Let us learn how to make an adjective feminine. To make an adjective feminine, usually E is added to the masculine form. Masculine singular, petite, which means small or short. In feminine, it will be petite avec E. Intéressant means interesting. In feminine singular, it will be intéressant avec E. Next, court, which means short in length. In feminine singular, it will become court avec E. If an adjective ends with E in masculine, it will not change in feminine. The adjectives remain same in the feminine form if an adjective ends with E in the masculine form. For example, man's will remain same in feminine. Next, sympathetic. Sympathetic will also remain sympathetic in feminine. Next, antipathic. Antipathic will also remain same in feminine. Next, jeune. Jeune will also remain in feminine. As you see, all the words ending with E, they will not change it. If an adjective ends with S, N or L in masculine form, then we add SE, NE, LE to change in feminine form. For example, gross will become gross, which means fat. Beau will become bon, which means good. Gentil will become gentil, which means kind. Ancien will become ancien, which means ancient. Next, adjectives ending with EAU in the masculine form change EAU to ELLE to get their feminine form. For example, beau will become belle, which means handsome or beautiful. Next, nouveau. Nouveau will become nouvelle, which means new. I hope that you understood this video. In my next video, we learn how to make an adjective in plural. So, that's all for the day. We will meet in my next video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.